Trailblazers in factory automation are proving that smart manufacturing initiatives can provide safer environments for workers, along with driving higher factory output. Automated parts cleaning with vapor degreasing provides safer social distancing for workers as recommended by local and World Health agencies. A single operator runs the automated batch cleaning process from load in, cleaning, rinsing, to drying and load out of manufactured parts. This helps reduce work-related injuries caused by lifting or carrying baskets of parts through the workplace. Plus, it eliminates close-quarter manual cleaning and provides more consistent, repeatable cleaning results. Vapor degreasing technology provides long-term post-COVID-19 cost savings using sustainable, recyclable fluids that are safe for workers and our environment. Find out how you can improve precision cleaning and productivity at microcare.com.